Welcome to Pakistan Travel Guide. Visit and subscribe our YouTube channel for Pakistan travel updates. Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Pakistan Travel Guide. Today, we are embarking on a journey to one of the most captivating natural wonders of Gilgit-Baltistan, Attabad Lake. Join us as we delve into the remarkable story of its formation, the array of activities it offers, and the best way to experience the turquoise marvel of Attabad Lake. The genesis of Attabad Lake. Our journey begins with the incredible story of how Attabad Lake came into existence. In 2010, a massive landslide blocked the Hunza River, creating a natural dam. Over time, the dam transformed into the mesmerizing Attabad Lake, nestled amidst towering peaks. The Turquoise Oasis. Behold the turquoise marvel that is Attabad Lake. Its pristine waters, with shades of blue and green, are a sight to behold. The lake's beauty is truly a testament to the wonders of nature. Boating and water activities. Attabad Lake offers a plethora of water activities. Hop aboard a boat and glide across its crystal clear waters, or challenge yourself with kayaking. The lake's tranquility and breathtaking surroundings create the perfect setting for these adventures. Photography paradise. For photographers and nature enthusiasts, Attabad Lake is a paradise. Its mirror-like surface reflects the surrounding peaks, offering endless opportunities for capturing postcard-worthy shots. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Attabad Lake is during the summer months, from May to September, when the weather is pleasant and the lake is at its most inviting. However, each season paints a unique picture of the lake, so consider visiting during different times of the year for a varied experience. Getting to Attabad Lake. Getting to Attabad Lake is an adventure in itself. The lake is approximately 15 kilometers from Karimabad in Hunza. Travelers can reach it by road, enjoying a scenic drive that winds through the Karakoram highway, offering breathtaking vistas along the way. Nearby attractions. While you are in the region, explore nearby attractions such as the charming village of Gulmit and the stunning Pasu Cones. These places add to the allure of your Attabad Lake journey. As we conclude our exploration of Attabad Lake, remember that its creation, beauty, and the activities it offers are a testament to the wonders of our natural world. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Attabad Lake has something magical in store for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys through Pakistan. Until next time, keep exploring, and remember, Attabad Lake is a gem that awaits your discovery. Safe travels! Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Pakistan Travel Guide YouTube channel and share with your friends and family.